Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add friends in Whiteout Survival. First of all, open up the Whiteout Survival game. When you reach Furnace level 7 in your city, you have access to the Alliance option. From Alliance option, you can queue up with other friends who are on the same server as you. Then you will be able to play together. You can either create or join an alliance from here. From the Join Alliance option, you will be able to join the available alliance, then tap to apply. You are all set to play with your friends. You can also invite others. Search the specific alliance in here, which only you and your friends can play with. Also, you can find friend requests here. You need to go into Exploration icon or World menu from here. And in all these cities, you can find friends with whom you can play. Then click on their name and add them as your friends. Just make sure all of you are on the same server because it's the only way you can play together. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.